Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. Hope you're doing well. Hey, was searching for best water softener system on Google here, and I found some interesting information I want to share with you guys. Tell you a little bit about myself. I have over 33 years experience in the water treatment industry. I have sold, serviced, installed, and engineered systems for residential and commercial all over the United States and different parts of the world. And so I have a vast amount of experience in the water treatment industry, and not just locally, but everywhere. As well as I'm the CEO of Quality Water Treatment Inc., qualitywatertreatment.com, where we've been offering our services and high quality water treatment equipment systems for sale at a reasonable price online now since 2001. We're one of the first water treatment companies to actually offer the service and treatment systems online. So we have a lot of experience on the online uh, business side of it as well. And we've put that together a really good website that actually focuses on making sure that our customers and folks like you that are just shopping for a system have all the proper information tools they need to make sure they get this done right. Okay. So when I search for best water softener system online, I see a lot of advertisements here where people are paying Google for their ads. So when you click on it costs them a little bit of money to get you to go to their website. But I also see a best water softener reviews updated list. I did some research on this, and every one of these links go through this best water softener review. Go to Amazon. So Amazon is most likely paying for this. And it takes you to different companies that sell on Amazon, like ABC Water, the Fleck 5600 SXT, and then the Fleck combo system. Then they have some other systems that are salt-free water softeners through Aqueous and Nuvo Water, which uses a citric acid type feed system. It's not really a water softener; they're water conditioners, but nevertheless, they're sold on Amazon. So the Fleck, I'm familiar with all of these, but the Fleck I'm very familiar with because we've been selling and servicing Flecks for 28 years as a business, and I sold a service Fleck for years before that. So I'm very familiar with Fleck. Fleck's been around a long time. It is a good water softener, but it's not the best water softener, not anymore. There's better systems out there now. They're downflow old technology. They waste a lot of salt and water per regeneration. They're a softener that keeps on costing you instead of saving you when it comes to maintaining the system. So there's better options out there, and I'll go over that with you here in a minute on our website. But I also want to let you know that we also sell on Amazon. I'll point that to you here in a minute as well. So when it comes to best water softeners, best water softener is not the best water softener unless it's sized properly and it has the key features that actually keep on saving you money after you purchase it and not just saving a few bucks when you purchase it. Okay. So if you go to our website here at www.qualitywatertreatment.com, um, the first thing you want to do if you're not too sure what size softener you need is to go ahead and size your water softener by using our water softener sizing calculator. And there's a video here that I did to show people how to use it. And once you've entered your information right here, uh, it's going to go ahead and recommend the proper size for you based on that information and give you the most efficient size water softener you can get. Okay. So just as an example for you, I'm going to enter 4 people in the house. I'm on city water. I'm going to use an average. Let's just say you're going to input whatever your city water is here. But average city water runs 15 grains hard. If you're on well and you have iron in the water, then enter the iron content. If you're not sure, uh, if you have iron or not. If you don't have any sort of water treatment equipment or filter on your well system now, and you're getting brown stain, then you have iron. So at that point, just go ahead and get it tested. I recommend the best source is just to take like a gallon of water, half a gallon of water in a clean container, take it to a local pool supply place and tell them, ask them to test it for you. They'll usually test it for free. Say, yeah, I would test my hardness, my pH, and my iron for me, please. And they'll test it right there on the spot usually and give you the results. So you can come back here and enter those results. And that'll size the system for you. But based on sticking with municipal supplier, also known as city water, the figures that I put in here sizes the system out, software out for you at 32,000 grades. So we're going to click on that. And here's the 5600 SXT we were talking about earlier. It's a downflow softener. It wastes a lot of water and salt per regeneration. It's got a 5-year warranty on the control valve, which is a typical manufacturer warranty for Fleck and Clack both. 10 years on the tanks. Clack and Fleck both waste a lot of salt and water per regeneration. The next size system is the best water softener. The best water softener on the market today is the Soft Pro systems. The reason why they're the best is they are manufactured by the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. They brand these systems for us as well as they brand it for other folks as well out there under brand names that those other folks want to use. Ours happens to be SoftPro, which is a registered trademark brand through Quality Water Treatment. The systems are built as complete systems, not just control valves. All water softeners out there that I'm aware of, including the Fleck and the Clack, they build control valves. They don't build water softeners. The resin and the tanks and everything else come from different manufacturers across the world, and they are built by a third party. The Soft Pro systems are built directly from the manufacturer. They manufacture the valves, they manufacture the tanks, and they build the systems for us and send them directly to our customers. So you don't just get the support of 28 years that our company has, but you also get the support of the manufacturer as well because it's a complete system offered by us through that manufacturer. They are also third party rated through an IAPMO third party rating agency, which is similar to WQA Water Quality Association. So the systems as a complete system are of utmost quality and have been tested and third party rated with a platinum seal, which you're not going to find on those other water softeners. The warranty is a lot better, 7 years on our Pura system, which is our lower line 3/4 inch Soft Pro water softener, lifetime on the tanks, and then our Soft Pro Elite Basic, which is our 1-inch high flow water softener, has a 10-year warranty on the valve and lifetime on the tanks. A lot better warranty than Fleck and Clack and any other water softener out there that I'm aware of. We offer a really good high grade resin, especially in our Soft Pro Elite Basics. We offer an upgraded 10% resin, which is more chlorinated, chloramine resistant. Chloramine is maybe number one to resins. That's what breaks them down and makes them less efficient over time. With the 10%, it's going to last you a lot longer, and it's also going to give you better performance as well. Okay, so these are upflow systems. Our Soft Pro Pura 3/4 inch, our Soft Pro Elite Basic 1-inch high flow are all upflow, high efficiency valves with new age technology features. With a combination of both, you get up to 75% in salt savings and 64% in water savings per regeneration. If you size the system properly using our sizing calculator, that will save an average family of four $220 a year in salt and water use. That's a lot of money, folks. It's a system that just keeps on paying for itself and actually ends up paying you over and over and over again for the life of the system, which is average of 15 to 20 years at least. So, 15-year calculation, we figure about $3,300 in savings. It's huge. So these are figures that are from the manufacturer as well as our studies as well. We've gone through. You can see it on our FAQ page where you can actually see where we got the figures at. It'll make a lot of sense too. So it's not just a sales pitch, folks. It's actually real live figures, and we put a lot of work as well as the manufacturer into making sure these figures are as close as they can be in real life to give you a good example of what's going on out there. Okay, so so that's what all that's about. If you want to see these systems on Amazon and look at our different packages as well, you can also purchase them on Amazon if you feel more comfortable with purchasing through Amazon. I know some folks do. So if you go to Amazon.com and type in Soft Pro Water Systems, uh, we should come up here. And yeah, here we are here. So you can see that we also have our Fleck Ultimate packages on SoftPro. So if you really are stuck on the Fleck brand, you can buy our Fleck 5600 SXT. We have different packages. You can click on here and it'll take you to different packages. Or you can stick with our high efficiency, the best water softeners on the market, which is our SoftPro systems. We have the SoftPro Elites and the SoftPro Optimus systems, as well as Ultimate packages that you can choose from, and a lot of different upgrades. We even have a SoftPro Pure Optimus cabinet model if you're looking for something to save you space. It's a cabinet model that saves you space, but it's also the upflow system with the new age technology to save you a lot in salt and water to help pay for itself. So that's everything, folks. I hope I was very helpful to you, and have a great day.